Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a childhood favorite and one of those things that me and my cousins used to make all the time, and that is old school cinnamon toast. This toast is the bomb, guys, and you have to try it. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, everything you see here on the screen is what we're going to be using to make our old school cinnamon toast. Okay, now you can use whatever bread you want. I'm using wheat, as you guys can see. You can use French bread, you can use Texas toast, you can use whatever, you can even use brioche bread or whatever. You can use whatever bread you want to use, okay? So now I'm adding the cinnamon to my sugar. That's 1 cup of sugar that I have in my bowl there, and I'm going to gradually add my cinnamon in there until I reach that consistency of the cinnamon level that I want in there, which is pretty much a lot. Okay, so you guys know I love cinnamon, so you definitely can adjust yours to your liking. But once I did that, I set that to the side, and now I am working on my toast. Now my butter is very, very soft. Okay, you want to make sure your butter is soft and spreadable. You don't want to go on with no big thick chunks of butter and then it makes your bread all soggy. That's just gonna ruin your cinnamon toast, in my opinion. But again, like I always tell you guys, do you. So we're gonna make these kind of look like a domino. Okay, you want to get a slice of butter, or spread some butter in each corner and then one in the middle, and that's it. Okay, you want it to look just like that. So now we're gonna add our cinnamon sugar on top, and what you want to do is just top the bread with the sugar. Okay, top it with the cinnamon sugar until you get a nice pile on there. Make sure the top is completely coated, and then just turn it sideways, turn it upside down, whatever. Just make sure you shake all of that excess off, and that right there is how it's gonna look. So like I told you guys, this is a childhood favorite. I grew up on these when me and my cousins, I don't know if y'all be reading my little community post, but I had a little scenario that I shared with you guys that happened with me and my cousin as we were growing up, to where we used to always make a lot of things, and my aunt used to keep the food locked up in her room because we used to just make a lot of stuff that we shouldn't have been making. But hey, it is what it is. We were hungry, okay? So anywho, once you get all of that coated, okay, I do have my oven set to broil, and we're gonna bake these for about 40 to 50 seconds. Yes guys, it's gonna be very, very quick. Don't walk away. And this right here is what you're gonna end up with, guys. Nice, delicious cinnamon toast, old school cinnamon toast. And like I said, guys, this right here is a staple in my house. I make these every summer. Matter of fact, I make them all throughout the year, and if you try them, you guys will agree with me when I say these are delicious. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my old school cinnamon toast. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.